Yes, good morning to everyone. Now we'll be talking about an athletic sport called shot put. Yes, do you have any idea how shot put is being played by players? You can see a player holding a metal ball and he will try to throw it. So now we'll look at why the sport is called as shot put. A shot put, the term arrived by where players throw a heavy metal ball. The ball is called as the shot, and they try to they're trying to push it forward, but they are not throwing. That's why it is called a shot put. Yes, and how this sport evolved, how people got an idea to invent such a sport is where it dated back to Middle Ages, where soldiers, while attacking another country, attacking their opponent in World Wars, you can see it in old historic films. There is this kind of machines which is shown in this picture. They are called as cannonballs, and this cannonballs is somewhat similar to the shot put ball. It is a metal ball where they feed it inside this gun, metal gun, and they shoot their opponent. So this is where the idea of shot put came, arrived at people's mind. So the idea dated back to Middle Ages. Yes. So when did the this sport shot put came into existence? Is they have two separate competitions for men and women. So men begin at in the year 1896, whereas women's competition began only in the year 1948. So this is how the layout of a shot put field looks like. There is a circle and the angular sector in front of the player. The player will be standing in the middle of the circle. As you can see, the radius of the circle is 1.06 meters. The player will be standing at that central point facing the angular sector. You can see the angle of the sector is 34.92 degrees. So while the player throws the ball will be landing inside this sector and not beyond the lines, the two lines. Yes. So and then you can also see a stop board in front of the player. It will be placed near the feet of the player. He'll be standing inside the circle. The stop board, you can see it is of 1.22 meters in width, with and there is an height, some kind of height like 3 centimeters in height from the ground. So the player is not supposed to hit this turbo. He'll be standing facing the angle sector. So these are all the measurements of this whole layout of shot put ground. And there are many kinds of metal balls they use for throwing, they use for playing shot put. You can see there are six kind of metal balls I have given here. The weight starts ranges from 3.63 kilograms till 7.2 kilograms. Out of these three metal balls, now women use the white one. You can see at the bottom middle one, white color ball. It is of 4 kilograms. This is women use. Um, and the black ball beside white ball, 7.2 kilograms metal ball, and that ball is being used for men's competition. They are all made up of metal. Yes, the ball is called as the bullet. As I said, women use 4 kilograms metal ball and men use 7.26 kilograms metal ball. The surface is smooth. It doesn't have any ups and downs, and the diameter of the women's ball is 95 to 110 millimeter, and men's is from 110 to 130 millimeter. So now we'll look into the player's position. As I said, he will be standing inside the circle, and he is not supposed to touch the ends of the circle while trying to throw the ball, and also the toe board which will be placed in front of his feet. He is not supposed to hit the toe board while he is trying to throw, and the diameter of the circle is about 7 feet in diameter, and the toe board's height, here it is mentioned, it is 10 centimeters. The rules and regulations of playing the sport is the metal ball will be placed. He should carry the metal ball in one hand, and he should place it near his neck, very close to his neck. And while playing, he is not supposed to wear any gloves, and but bandages are allowed. As I said, he is not supposed to hit the toe board, which will be placed near his foot. And the only after the ball lands on the ground, he is supposed to exit. And he exits only at the back of the toe board, not through. He is not supposed to exit in the front side. The back half of the circle he is supposed to exit. The ball he throws must land only within the legal sector. The angular sector is shown on the playground area measurement. That angle sector, 34 degrees angle sector. The ball he throws should only land in between the legal sector. It is not supposed to go beyond the legal sector. It will be reported as illegal throw. Yes, for the throw to be legal throw, there are some laws they have mentioned here. First one is the athlete should enter the circle as soon as they call their name. The time limit is only 30 seconds. The announcer will call his name, and within 30 seconds, he should enter the circle. And he should use only one hand to lift the ball and place near his neck. And the ball should after throwing, the ball should touch the ground uh, in between the legal sector, and he should exit from the rear half of the circle. Rear means back of the circle. And he is not supposed to touch any sides of the circle, uh, um, or exit before the ball hits the ground. There are two types of styles by which the player throws the ball. One is glide style and another one is called the spin style. um, Mostly we can see players using the spin style to throw shot put to play the sport. Spinning is nothing but they rotate their body and they try to push the ball forward. So yes, now we can see many players using the spinning style. Next championship competition, we'll hope India wins a medal. Yes, thank you.